I'm making chicken breasts for dinner. I'm gonna take, this chicken is still pretty frozen even though it's been out. Just gonna take it and put it on my medium stoneware pan. I wish I could have cut it in half. I can cut it in half later. Some sea salt. Some pepper. And some parsley. The oven is heating to 350. Since it's still pretty frozen, I have to leave it cook for an hour. Way through the chicken cooking, I took it out and cut it in half. So now it's done. I'll show you what it looks like. And it's on Pampered Chef's medium stoneware pan, and I love these pans to no end. That's what it looks like. Close up.